Hello guys, this is CodeNCode and this is a tutorial for the problem select all from HackerRank. The problem is basic select query. So and this is part of SQL codes. Okay. So recently we have learned how you can perform select operation on table, and this is the problem that we'll be solving just after that. Okay. So the problem is this: query all columns, right, or attributes from city table, and this is the city table. So here you see these are the fields like id, name, country code, or district, and population, and this is their type. So id is of number type. Number, you can understand it as integer, right? Id and population are of number type, and these three things are varchar. You can understand it as a string. Okay, and inside here you see 17, 3, and 20. This is like maximum length. So name won't contain more than 17 characters. Country code won't contain more than 3 characters. District won't contain more than 20 characters. Okay, so this specifies the maximum length. Now, so these are the fields of city table, and we are asked to print all of the fields, right? Query all of the fields means print or select all of the fields. So let's see how we'll solve this problem. This is a very easy problem. So first of all, there are multiple dialects given. We are solving it using MySQL, so select that. Okay, now how will solve this problem? So how do you do that? So in the last lecture, we have seen what is the way you select or query the database is using the select statement. So we'll start with select. So select, and in the next line we write the columns, right? We You can go ahead and write column one by one, like ID and then name, so on and so forth. But here it says select all of the columns, and we have seen how we can select all of the columns just using an asterisk, right? So we have done that. So select star, that means select everything from which table. So like from, and then table name. Table name is city, right? City, right? City. Done. So if you run the code, it should get uh, AC. Yeah, it passes all of the test cases. Just submit it. Okay. Yeah, all of the test cases are passing. So this way you can solve this problem. As you can see, the solution is very easy because the problem was itself very easy. Yeah, so we can stop here. So again, hopefully you'll try this problem too. And in fact, I'm assuming that you were able to solve this problem before reaching this attitude itself. Okay, because that's just how easy this problem is. Yeah, so we can stop here. This is all for this lecture, and till we meet in the next lecture, just keep coding. Thank you.